Hello everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Home Depot credit card account. Home Depot is known as the largest home improvement retailer in the United States. It supplies tools, construction products, and services. In order to log into the Home Depot credit card account, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening a web browser and search for Home Depot credit card login in the search box and press the enter. From the search results, click on Home Depot credit card login or apply the first link that you see and you'll be taken to the official website. Now, in order to log in, you'll be able to see a sign on box at the left hand side of the screen. Start by entering your user ID in the first text field. If you want the system to remember your user ID so that you won't have to sign in again and again, you can check this box that says Remember my user ID. Now, enter your password in the next text field. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you log in to your account. You can double check your password before moving on by clicking on this eye icon, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your user ID and your password, you can click on Retrieve User ID for the user ID and Reset Password for the password. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to retrieve your user ID and reset your password if you want. Now, after you're done, click on the Sign On button and you'll be logged into the Home Depot credit card account in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.